Hi guys, welcome back to the Home and Homestead. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video on a product called the Seeding Square. So what it is a gardener's helper to help you space your seeds when you plant them in the garden or a raised garden. I was kind of intrigued with this and I wanted to see what I could do to help increase the yield in my gardens this year. We're going to be kind of redoing our main vegetable garden and adding a number of freestanding raised garden planters as well. So I thought these would be handy for filling in the newer raised gardens that we're going to do, especially since I'm going to be doing some companion planting. So let's take a dive into this product here. Okay, so inside the box we have the actual seeding square, which is plastic. It has a little depth hole starter. It has a little spot for it there. It feels like it's magnetized. And this is a little funnel on the back that you can put in the various holes for helping to get the seed down to where you want it. I opened it earlier just to see what was inside, and it comes with this nice manual, this nice planting guide, and it's all color coded, and it tells you, so for the red hole, these are the vegetables and things that you can plant in there, and in which it tells you the spacing there. So red, yellow, blue, orange, and then there's some basic guidelines in the back for things where you would use the entire seeding square to help you do the measuring while you're planting. And then instructions are on the back. This has a slight coating on it for protection, but I also further laminated it myself, just because I knew when I'm using this, my hands will be really dirty, and that would help keep it nice. So we'll see. Once we get planting in the new raised beds that we're going to build and install this year, you will probably see this item again, because I'm going to be doing a lot more direct sow seeds this year and bulbs. Usually I've been doing starter plants, either that I've started myself or purchased from in store. So this year I'm going to be doing the direct sow, and we'll see how those plants do this year. Well, thank you for taking time out of your day to spend it with me and watch this video. Hope you're having a great day, and if you are new around here, please consider subscribing. And if you enjoyed this unboxing video, please give it a thumbs up. See you next time. Take care.